What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. We got our hands on this Dual Guard iPhone 16 phone case from a company called Crave. This is the forest green color I have in my hands right now, and I will show you the aqua color later on. These are just two of a bevy of colors that the company actually carries for these cases. So let's unbox this, give you a quick review, share some highlights of the case, pop it on my phone, see what I think. All right, so let's get our case out of the box. It's nice and tight in there, which is great. We also have the styrofoam inside the case, which I really love because it protects the case. Okay, so now that we have our case outside the box, let's talk about a few things that I noticed right off the bat. The first is that this is nice and light. Now, I'm not saying it's light enough that you're going to have some doubts over whether it can protect your phone, but I like the slim, lighter cases that do a good job of protecting your phone versus those big, bulkier cases. Secondly, texture. This case has a really good feel to it, and it probably doesn't come in as well as I would like, but it's not too smooth and it's not too rubbery in your hands. And those are two of the things that I'm most concerned about once I get a new case. Is it going to be so slippery that the phone's going to just fly out of my hands when I pull it out of my pocket? Or is it going to be so rubbery that I have a hard time actually getting it out of my pocket? I don't think there's going to be an issue here with this case on either side of that dilemma. It also looks like Crave did a really nice job of thinking through a little bit of extra protection in a couple places on the phone by installing some nice raised edges, one of which is right here on the back of your phone, right where your camera is. So in case you drop your phone and it lands like this, those edges are going to protect your camera. And then on the opposite side, right here, where the front of the phone is going to be, where your screen is going to be, this edge is going to pop up a little bit above the phone screen. So in case you drop your phone and it hits the ground like this, those edges will protect the screen from getting hit. All right, at the top of this video, we introduced this product as a dual guard phone case because that's what it's called. And the reason for that is it comes in two pieces, and I tend to prefer the two-piece phone cases rather than the one-piece ones. At least over time, those are the ones that I've typically gravitated towards, and maybe it's just me, I feel like they do a better job of protecting your phone, typically because you have kind of that inner piece of the case that surrounds your phone, and then the kind of harder exterior shell that locks everything in place. I feel like your phone is more secure in the two-piece cases rather than the one-piece case. I always feel like the one-piece cases, and just my experience, right? I always feel like the one-piece cases, they don't seem to fit that tightly around your phone. I feel like there are always some gaps. I feel like they're just not as secure. So let's pop this thing apart and take a look at both parts of the case. And it's really easy to do to separate the two pieces. All you need to do is grab onto the darker color green, at least on this case, and pull away from the lighter color. And it's really easy to separate the case. All you need to do is grab onto the darker green part of the case and pry away from the lighter shade. And as we suspected, we have this inner case, which is nice and bendy, but will fit around our phone really well. And then we have the harder exterior shell that will go around that inner case. And if you noticed here, another added benefit of the case is that it is compatible with the MagSafe technology. All right, let's see how easy it is for us to slip our phone into the inner part of the case. No issue there, that took a few seconds. And now let's pop it into the outer shell of the case. We are all set. So now that we have the case on our phone, I thought I'd give you a quick view of what the forest green looks like if you are considering that. We'll pop the aqua one on the phone here in a bit. So now that the case is on the phone, let's talk about a few other things. Now we talked about this a little bit earlier, but here's a really good view with the camera in there. You could see that raised edge. It does pop out a little bit more than the camera. So your camera is going to be protected. Same thing on the flip side. You could see that raised edge going a little bit above the screen. So your screen is going to be protected if your phone happens to fall like that. Let's test the buttons too, because I know this is another area that people are always concerned with when they get a new phone case. The buttons have to be not too rigid and they have to not be too mushy either. They have to be just right. It's kind of like a Goldilocks thing. So let's test each one of the buttons just to make sure they have the right feel and they, well, function correctly. So I'm gonna hit the button that I always refer to as my lock screen button. Brings up my lock screen, has a good feel to it. We're gonna unlock my phone, come back, and show you what happens when we hit the volume buttons and the mute button. Okay, so we've got our phone screen unlocked. I'm going to hit the mute button, and as you can see, that works perfectly fine. We're gonna go up on the volume. That works perfectly fine, down on the volume, and they feel good. Let's also test the camera button right over here. So he brings up the lock screen, goes into the camera mode, takes a picture, and it works just as it should. I have no complaints about the buttons at all. And if you are sitting there thinking, what about the holes on the bottom of the case? Do they line up perfectly? As you can see here, they absolutely do. Let's talk about something I referenced earlier in the video, and that's how well the case felt when I had the phone in it and I was taking my phone out of my pocket. Remember, I didn't want it to be too slippery, I wanted it to be too rubbery, and I can tell you it feels perfectly fine taking it out of my pocket. There's a perfect amount of texture that it doesn't get stuck in your pocket, and it's not too slippery when you take your phone out of your pocket. All right, so we just popped the Aqua case on our phone, and maybe you're sitting there thinking, well, geez, from the front it looks exactly the same, and you would be right. Both the Aqua and the Forest Green cases have the same inner shell, but when you flip it around, you can see how different it is. And here is the Forest Green case for comparison purposes. Those are the only two colors I have available on hand to display to you, but Crave makes these cases in a variety of different colors. These cases retail for $19.99, at least at the time of this video. I'll pop some links in the description in case you're interested. I gotta tell you, I'm pretty impressed with these Dual Guard cases from Crave. They're thin, they're durable, the weight is good, the texture is perfect, the buttons are on point. You can use MagSafe technology with them. They come in a variety of different colors, and there's extra protection for the vital parts of your phone. Thanks for watching, everybody.